In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony ZV1 to tripod. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using this particular Sony tripod model, you can connect your camera to it and enable the Bluetooth remote functions. So to do this, first on the camera itself, go over to the network tab. So this one with this little globe icon. And look for Bluetooth settings. If you don't see it on the first page, make sure that you switch over to the second one. Once you find Bluetooth settings, you will be able to enable it. So choose Bluetooth settings, and the first thing here will be a toggle. Set it to on. So if it is currently set to off, change it to on, and now you will be able to start the pairing process. Before you do this, one last thing to check is Bluetooth remote control. To properly use the tripod and make sure that all of its features and functions work, this must also be set to on. Usually, as soon as you switch this to on, it will also start pairing, so you might want to hold off on changing this before you actually set up the camera. So, if you go over to the tripod itself, make sure that it is properly unlocked, and then to initiate Bluetooth pairing mode, press and hold the photo and this little T button simultaneously. So when you press both of these buttons and you hold them down for a few seconds, the LED here will start blinking, indicating that Bluetooth pairing mode has been enabled. So once again, press and hold the photo and the T button down. After you press them and you see the LED blinking, now you can go back in here and switch Bluetooth remote control to on. This should immediately pull out the pairing menu. If it doesn't, go back into the Bluetooth settings and you will also have the option to manually start pairing mode here. So once you are in pairing mode, it is going to look for nearby devices, including the tripod, and you will see this message: connected device GP VPT 2BT. If it looks okay, go ahead, choose the OK option, and now the tripod will be usable with your Sony ZV1. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.